Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are back out on the range. We are your research and destruction channel, and we got some good research for you guys today, and we'll see what we can destroy. Well, Buffman Range, don't forget to check out his YouTube channel, hooked us up with some cool 54R rounds that make the pumpkin spice latte and the DPM a lot more funner. So what we got, he hooked us up with an API and some AP rounds. So we are super excited to try these out today. We do have a chronograph to see how fast these go. Now we're gonna try to shoot them out of the PSL, but in an older video, it caused the spotter rounds to actually tumble. If that's the case, we are gonna break out this beautiful World War II DPM and try it out of those, because hopefully the barrel has a different twist rate on it, and one of these is going to cause these bad boys to fly nice and straight. So we got some different targets for you. This is, I cut this off yesterday. I was working on my tractor. This piece here, this is a blade. It's about 1/4 inch thick. Not sure how tough this steel is. Probably a mild steel, but it's about 1/4 inch thick. We're going to try some of that. We have a brake rotor here, which will act as our spaced armor. Actually don't know what brake rotors are made out of. Could be another mild steel, but anyways, it's still space. So we're gonna try that. And then we have our already compromised, but still good, Caldwell targets here. Now this thing's about 1/2 inch thick and it's AR 500. So we'll see how those guys hold up against that. Anyways, this is what we got for you guys. We're super excited. Don't forget to check out our Instagram page. We do a lot of different posts there. Let's take a closer look at everything and get this going.
All right, so first piece of steel up is the replaceable plow blade edge. It's pretty thick and beefy, but I believe it's a softer steel. So let's check it out. We're gonna do API and then the AP. Hopefully nothing comes back, because during our zeroing sesh, yes, we actually did one this time. I don't know, something came back and hit right here. It's kind of alarming, so we put up a blast shield. You ready, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look at that, it fed. All right, so first one's gonna go on the bottom and then the top. That made some noises. All right, we gotta reset the plate now. Clear.
All right, I know one of those is an AP, that's for sure. So let's check this out. So this is where the API hit. Now it made a really good ding, because there's probably, maybe this is more like the red tip spotter rounds we have, and these are just a newer, if you watch Buffman Range, he explains what these rounds are, the weight of it. So make sure you check out his channel. I don't remember the video. I'll leave a link in the description below to his video. And so if you want to know more about weights and all that stuff, he's got that. Anyways, it almost made it through, but not quite. It does have a little bulge on the back, but not much. And so I would say those are maybe just spotter rounds. They do have something in there that makes a good dent for sure. But the AP is definitely an AP, blew right through that and no problem. There's the back, Justin. Okay, so that was our tractor blade. Wow, that did make I can't believe that didn't go through it. It's a pretty good dent. Okay, so the next one we're going to try is a brake rotor. Again, it's like separated, so we'll see. I don't think the gray tip's going to go through. Hey, you know, stranger things have happened on the research and destruction, but I bet the AP is going to do some good damage, so here we go.
All right, next target is going to be the brake rotor. This is a much smaller target because I'm trying to hit the actual surface that the brake pads touch. And we didn't perfectly zero this thing, but hopefully I get close enough. So we're going to do API first, followed by AP. All right, I'm going to try the left side. Here we go. AP. .2842 on that one. Clear.
All right, that's pretty impressive. Actually, both those rounds went through, but these are, looks like a cast. I didn't know these were cast. Research and figure out stuff. So this piece was back here. This was the first shot, because on the tractor blade, it actually left this brass color, so there's brass stuff here, and we actually found part of one of the cores. I don't know which one this is to. I bet Buffman could, Matt over at Buffman Range could tell us what this was to, but it just looked like it hit it. It slowed it down enough, it just bounced off the barbed wire and landed here. So this is the front side of, oh, wait a minute. I'm backwards here. Justin shot the API first, which blew through. So this piece that I found and already got rid of was to this one. This is the AP. You can see the brass color. There it is. Nice hole right through both of these. And these are about, what would you say, 1/4 inch thick, Justin?
Yeah, roughly.
So about a little thinner, I would say, than the tractor plate, but totally different metal, a cast. So these are cast. Both of them went through, no problem. I really didn't expect the API to actually go through, if it is in fact an API. But anyways, enough talking. I know you guys are like, Chris, shut up. And that's okay, I will. All right, so next one, Caldwell target, 1/2 inch thick, AR 500. Let's do it. This was from a 50 BMG, so that had no problem going through this. All right, let's do it.
All right, for the final plate, we're going to be doing the AR 500. Make sure you let us know in the comments if you think one of these will go through. I've been pretty impressed with the speeds of these. They've been consistently over 2,800 feet per second. Usually see a more wild variation of speeds, but these have been pretty spot on. Kind of impressed. Now if I can get the mag loaded, this shouldn't be the hard part of shooting. There we go. All right, this one I loaded backwards. So we're doing AP and then API. If that's cool with you, it's cool with me. I don't know if that went through or not. I didn't get to see the speed on that one. Makes me laugh that Chris is all winded running around setting up the cameras, and I just get to hang out back here for a little while. You ready? Ooh, that was a good pop. .28-30 on that one. Clear.
Let's check it out. We see some yellow paint here. I don't see any holes on the back. So here we go. Made a pretty good ding. Again, I think this one was over, somewhere around 28.70. This one was like 28.30. So the AP did not penetrate the AR 500, and I'm thinking these are more of a spotter. They might have a small steel core, but they're not really doing near the damage as the AP. So we got that one. This target, let me get this. And it killed that rotor for sure. Cool.
Braking distance is compromised.
Yeah, a little bit. All right, well, there you go, folks. Those are a lot of fun. I'm really glad that the PSL, like I said, the pumpkin spice latte, as my wife and daughter call it every time I say PSL, actually was rifled perfectly for these rounds. They all flew straight, penetrated some of these targets. Again, the harder steel, no bueno. We'll have to try it on some armor plates, or how about this? Go to Matt's channel, Buffman Range. He shot some armor with it and see how they did. So check out his channel again. I'll put a link to that video in the description. Don't forget to check out our Instagram page. Sign up on that, just start following us there. We do different posts here and there, and we have some really good videos planned for you this next month. Make sure you keep a watch out, because some of you guys have the alarm bell on, and YouTube doesn't seem to send you notifications when we have a video come out. So just keep checking the channel. We thank you guys very much. Thank you to our patrons, and we'll be back.